How are ya? Panama Peg here. And look what we've got. I got some amazing avocados that a friend of mine gave me. They're from his tree in his yard. And these are some amazing organic eggs. And we have some cheese. So I was thinking we should do a little avocado bake. What do you say? Shall we give it a whirl? Okay, let's go. Egg bake. Et voila. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so here you go. A little egg bake early in the morning. It takes about 5 minutes to bake if you have it at 350 degrees in your little toaster oven. It goes very quick. So all you need is an avocado, an egg, some cheese of your choice, a little bit of pepper when you're done, and voila. Enjoy.